Before installation, please confirm if the structure of your bike matches our wheel. The front fork opening requires about 10 cm. The socket groove opening requires about 1 cm. Use a plum blossom hex wrenches to remove the screws. The side of the outlet must be covered with a sponge pad. Place the disc brake pad with the lettering side up and align the 6 holes. Screw them to the appropriate position, but do not fully tighten them. Adjust the balance of the disc brake, and then lock the screws. Install the front wheel on the front fork. The brake disc is installed on the left side of the forward direction. The notch mark faces the handlebar. Placement of accessories on the side of the disc brake as shown in the figure. Here's the placement of accessories on the outlet side. Use hands to twist the anti-slip nut into the suitable position. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. If the wheel rub disc, it can be adjusted with hexagonal wrench. If you can't adjust these positions, ask for customer service help. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Put the controller into the bottom of the frame. The controller cable must be put in from the rear. Fix the controller with an iron ring clamp. Use a screwdriver to screw it to the appropriate position. Put the buckle nut into the buckle slot. Put the upper buckle into the seat cushion card slot. Align the lower buckle with the upper buckle and lock it with the buckle screw. Fix the bag battery on the seat post. Insert the 2-core wire of the controller and the 2-core wire of the battery with the arrow facing the arrow, and insert them to the horizontal bar. Take out the power cord and show it, put it in the bag and buckle it. Put the waterproof cap into the 9-core wire and fasten it on the nut. Align the 9-core wires at both ends arrow to arrow and fasten them to the horizontal bar. The installation of the vehicle is complete now. For the APP usage tutorial, please check the APP usage video on our channel.